Okay, all of you. Good morning. Okay, in today's video, now we are going to start new lesson today, new units. So today we are going to start unit 13. Unit 13, and name of the unit is Risk Management and Insurance. Risk Management and Insurance. The content of this unit. The content of this units are the things that you have to learn in these units are the syllables that comes under these units are the concept of risk management, concept of insurance, importance of insurance, essential of insurance contract, principle of insurance, and types of insurance. Now, into what types of insurance means, there are many types of insurance: life insurance, non-life insurance. Under non-life insurance, there are man insurance, fire insurance, many other insurances are there. So today, first content, that is what concept of risk management. Today we are going to explain. We are going to study. I am going to explain today about this what concept of risk management. Now it is said that risk is such situations which creates loss or creates loss exposure to the organizations, and we all know that the present situation is very risky because there is no any business organization which can be sure that is out of risk. There are some risks are there. So especially when we talk about risk means we can categorize risks into two types. One is financial risk, another is what? Non-financial risk. Now when we talk about financial risk means the risk caused by fire, earthquakes, or damages caused by many other accidents. They can be measured in terms of monetary value. So they comes under this word financial risk. Now there are also some non-financial risks like dissatisfaction, like what? Dissatisfaction on the selection of life partners, dissatisfaction on achieving your marks in your results, dissatisfaction not having child by any couples. These are some dissatisfaction, these are some losses which creates non-financial risks. And it is said that the techniques, the process through which risks are find out and through which risks are solved, they are analyzed. That techniques is known as what management? Risk management. That technique known as what management? Risk technique. Risk management means the process through which what means losses and loss exposures are found out, and selecting appropriate techniques or best techniques through which the losses can be managed or loss can be solved is known as what? Risk management. And the person who does this risk management, he should be very brilliant, he should be techniques, and he should be able to use appropriate techniques. You should be able to select appropriate techniques so that the risk can be managed in proper time, in right times, so that will not get further loss to the organizations. And it is said that there are four steps while selecting the while solving the risks or while minimizing the risks. So when we talk about four steps means the first step is that number one is that finding out the risks, finding out the what? Loss exposures. And second step is analyzing the loss. When the loss comes to the organizations, in the second step, the loss should be analyzed. The loss should be evaluated. And third step is selecting the best technique, appropriate techniques to solve that loss, or to solve that loss exposure. And the final one is after selection of techniques, implementation of the programs, or implementing the techniques to solve the loss. They are the four steps which can be utilized by the risk managers to solve any type of risks. And at last, in conclusions, so it is what risk management means is a process or is a techniques through which what means risks are solved, risks are managed. We talk about risk management means is a process where the risks are find out, losses are find out, and they are analysis, and after that appropriate techniques are utilized, appropriate steps are utilized so that risks are managed and solved in times. Okay, so today in this video I have just explain you what this concept of risk management, and the other contents which are left to explain, left to finish, they will come on your coming videos. So this is for today. Thank you all of you.